In this video, we'll dive into the best glass cutters available today. We'll compare their performance, features, and value to help you pick the perfect tool for your glass projects, whether for home improvement or professional use. The 2026’s is one of the best glass cutters in Red Devil's lineup, and it's a reliable choice. It features a steel wheel with a 120-degree angle designed for scoring both single and double-strength glass. It works smoothly on glass thicknesses ranging from 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch. The ergonomic handle is designed for comfort, with a flat surface near the cutting wheel that allows for optimal finger positioning. The ball end of the handle provides additional leverage, making it easier to snap off scored glass cleanly. Despite its affordable price, the 2026’s doesn't compromise on performance. It's versatile, handling tasks such as cutting mirrors, window panes, stained glass, and custom picture frames with ease. Red Devil designed this cutter for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals, and it excels in a variety of glass cutting applications. Whether you're crafting a custom frame or installing glass shelves, this tool gets the job done effectively. You're going to love this one. The Toyo pistol grip glass cutter brings top-notch performance to your cutting task. This tool has been a go-to for years, and it still stands out in the market. With its ergonomic pistol grip design, it delivers greater leverage, making long cutting sessions easier on the hands. The self-oiling system ensures smooth, consistent cuts, and the carbide steel wheel lasts up to 25 times longer than typical cutters. Accuracy is spot on, and the replaceable heads provide even more value over time. The lightweight acrylic handle is designed for comfort and visibility, letting you see how much oil is left in the reservoir. It's great for both beginners and pros, and it's built to withstand hours of use with minimal fatigue. All of that, plus its reasonable price, make this cutter a standout in the world of glass cutting tools. The ILBERSCHNITT oil glass cutter is a standout option for anyone serious about glass cutting. Equipped with a 138-degree honed angle wheel, this cutter delivers incredibly precise and clean scores. It's a bit more specialized with its narrow head, making it perfect for intricate cuts and tight spaces. The self-oiling system ensures smooth performance, keeping the wheel lubricated with just a few drops of oil. While it's priced at $37.99, it offers excellent value considering its durability and precision. One thing to note is that this cutter only works with ILBERSCHNITT 4000 heads, so replacement parts are limited. However, the solid brass handle with a finger grip and its overall ergonomic design make it comfortable for extended use. It's not the most versatile cutter when it comes to large jobs, but for detailed, high-quality work, the Series 4000 is hard to beat. If a full-scale glass cutter feels like overkill, then the DELPHI Glass Cutter's Mate Mini Starter Kit might be just what you need. This mini kit packs impressive performance in a compact design. Its foam-cushioned, weighted handle rotates a full 360 degrees, delivering all the pressure required for flawless scoring while keeping hand fatigue at bay. The integrated 11-inch clear Lexan cutter arm scores straight lines up to 22 inches, making it easy to handle detailed cuts even if you're new to glasswork. With the linear scoring module featuring an 8-inch dual measurement ruler, maintaining accuracy is effortless. Plus, the kit includes two versatile waffle grids that serve as both a safe work surface and a tracing aid. Engineered by Creator Stained Glass and assembled by DELPHI Glass, every component is crafted to deliver ease of use and precision, ensuring that whether you're a beginner or a pro, you get consistent, high-quality results every time. Also targeting the DIY market, the Toyo TC17B metal handle straight head oil cutter with GAI glass cutting oil is perfect for those looking to get started with glass cutting without unnecessary frills. This is Toyo's first foray into a compact, no-nonsense cutter that's built for precision and consistency. Its robust metal handle offers excellent control while scoring, ensuring smooth, clean cuts every time. Measuring 8 by 1 by 1 inches and weighing only 8 ounces, it's designed to be easy to handle and maneuver, even during prolonged use. With a solid 4.5-star rating from 31 reviews, this cutter has already earned praise from both beginners and seasoned pros. For optimal results, be sure to pair it with GAI glass cutting oil to maintain consistent lubrication on the cutter head. If you're after a reliable, straightforward tool for your glass projects, this cutter is definitely worth a look.